For almost 100 years, AWS has proudly supported welding and its many visionary leaders who drove us forward. Their push for higher standards, continued learning, and new technology made the impossible possible. Today, AWS stands stronger than ever with a singular mission powering our future. Inspiring members with better results and bigger opportunities. Building stronger standards that keep us safer. Motivating new generations to join us. Igniting important conversations about today's issues and tomorrow's possibilities. And most importantly, engaging welding communities from every corner of the globe to collaborate and share knowledge. Across every continent and culture lie extraordinary achievements, all made possible by the art and science of welding. Our ability to conquer new challenges, to provide educational opportunities that help people better themselves and their families. That's what strengthens the future of welding and our world forward.